This is a motion tracking tutorial using Adobe After Effects CC version 2014, and here's what I'm going to show. I hit the play button, spacebar, and battery charger. The text is following an object. The battery charger is plugged into the wall, and this is the charger's box. So the texts are following the objects, and here are the two and the third text. So let's do this by going to File, New, and New Project. Don't save this one. Let's drag a video into the timeline, into the program, then down to the timeline. Okay, let's hit the spacebar, and from here, for example, let's add a text. Go up here to the T, click on the video, and let's type in battery charger. Select the text, put the cursor there, come outside, and you can move the text. Okay, the color can be changed from here. You can set it to any color that you like. White is visible in this case. Okay, and let's go here, right click, new and null object, new null object, and select the text, and here's a rope for that text. Drag that rope and drop it onto the null object. That's it. Now you linked the text to the null object. Okay, and let's track the movement by going to tracker, and track motion is not available until I go to the video track, this one, the video track. So let's go to track motion, and we have a square here. Let's zoom in by pressing Alt and scrolling up the mouse. Let's move by holding down the space bar and dragging the image, and let's position this one by clicking between the two squares. Position it onto a highly visible dot, high contrasted area. Let's resize it so it will be tracked better. Zoom out a little bit, and either hit the Analyze Forward button here, this one, or do it manually. We can try this one because it's faster, and stop it, so if it creates an error you can undo it. Let's start it again. It's okay. Let's leave it there for a while to track the motion. Let's stop it, so we can undo it if it's not okay. It's still okay. The camera will move a little bit faster from now on. Let's stop it, so we can undo it if it's necessary. Now it's moving faster. It might jump out from that square. It's okay for now. Let's move it. Hold down the space bar to move it. That's still okay. Okay, let's analyze manually one frame. Okay, and this one's not okay, so you can move it to there. That's, for example, let's go to the lower left corner and click fit. Now you can see all these track points. We have to store these tracking points by going to edit target. So this is the target where we will store the points. It's the null one. It's this white thing. Click OK and apply that one, the X and Y coordinates, to the null object. Okay, that's done. We can close this one, and let's see, zoom in a little bit. the text should start from a certain point, let's say from here. Let's zoom in for that. So this is the text layer, and let's start it only from here where the cursor is. Hold down spacebar to jump exactly to the cursor. Now let's zoom out and drag the end down, because it does not have to be shown all the way in the entire clip, and only till here where the charger is visible. Let's go back one frame, Ctrl plus left arrow, oops, Ctrl plus right, till there. Okay, and drag the end, hold down shift to jump to the cursor. Now let's go to the beginning, hold down shift again to jump the cursor to the text, and double click the text. Come on. Okay, now we can move it closer to the battery charger. This is the charger itself. Click out here to deselect it, and let's preview it from the beginning. Spacebar to start it, and battery charger, and that's it. So the battery charger is plugged into the wall socket. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.